Come to breakfast.
Why?
The second to last cappuccino.
1, 2.
2.
Two, yeah. It's lemonade, there's absolutely no orange in it.
There's no orange.
I'm gonna remember this place as you never get anything you order. Nothing is right ever, ever.
We're back on the rock beach. Hello. Hello. Just reversing right in.
Maybe a great idea.
Yes, yes.
This place is for hippies.
Tongue kiss the bird.
I have yet to see a turkey, but I found a chicken. But no. Butterfly Valley. Hannah's not much for exercising, so I've yet to see a single butterfly. I'm starting to get scared. Yeah. We just walked a kilometer for this.
Come here, come here, come here.
Why? I found the only butterfly. It's a butterfly. It was worth the $1 entrance fee, not worth the walk. That's what ate all the butterflies.
It is, I bet you it is. We sit right there, we'll be able to see.
I hate rock beaches. Ouch, ouch, ouch. It is really pretty. We got on the first boat back. Back again. We invited James Paul to lunch, but I think he's busy. Today we feast. Where are you putting it?
I'm not.
Special delivery for a specials. Okay, bye.
I thought that was funny. Where, did you manage to... You stole them?
Ooh, yes. Look at this. Are you licking the box?
It's so good.
Oh.
Hot! Oh, it's hot, it's hot! Ow!
Our last night together.
Sad.
Very sad.
Very sad.
So we're going to Bella Gusta. Last Turkish sunset.
I am the sunset.
Oh god. Cheers. One last meal. It's all gone.
Muy grande, sopo.
Muy grande.
Sí, es muy grande. Grande y gordo. Muy bien.
So we opted for another glass.
Yes.
Hannah, the waiter had a crush on you.
Oh, stop it.
I'm empty.
I am not. You can't see anything.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
Our last ice cream together.
Sad times.
We're big party girls.
Yeah, can you not tell with that ice cream?
The last editing.
Hannah's cooking time, so you just plug it in.
For those cooking back home, this is how it should look.
And then we just wait until it goes beep.
And you always, always, always leave your deodorant and your hairbrush next to your fork and cooking station. Your wiener's burning!
My wiener.
Oh my sapo.
Oh, wow. I don't know how.
Your boiled wiener.